My name is Jim Valley. I'm the Leasing Manager for Parkwood Business Properties. We're a local commercial developer based here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. So I first heard about Intermax Networks when they started investing in fiber for commercial services. Being in the property development world, it was of interest to us to be able to provide faster, more reliable service to our clients. We use Intermax for our service here in our office. We're in a small office of about 12 people. They also provide our VoIP service for telephone. And then lately we've been rolling out to multiple buildings a Wi-Fi, managed Wi-Fi service through Intermax. So they take care of the IT component of that and they handle all of it. And it makes a nice amenity that we can package with our buildings to make it more and more competitive. We offer services in common areas, if there's a multi-story building with an atrium, and also the conference rooms that we provide to our customers. So now they're in about, 20, 25 of our buildings. Our portfolio is focused here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and Intermax's central office is here in Coeur d'Alene as well. So it's nice to have somebody you can just reach out to. They're quick to respond, readily available, just a phone call away. Prior to that, your options were limited to a cable or even a copper line service that was not as reliable and not nearly as fast. So with the fiber networks, you have the option to scale pretty much any speed you're looking to get, and Intermax can provide that on their fiber networks. Faster, more reliable than any of the options we've found prior. As I mentioned, we've been using Intermax for Wi-Fi, both in our commercial buildings, common areas, conference rooms, things of that nature. Recently, we rolled it out to the Farmers Market, which is a 1-acre site here in Kootenai County, and nothing but trees. So we had power there and that was about it. But those guys were able to figure out how to cover the full acre property that the Farmers Market uses for a weekend market. That's going to include vendor booths as well as guest service. If they need to connect to the internet for any reason. They were able to run that to an access point that serves the entire property. We just threw the problem at them and they figured out how to solve it. Not only do I recommend Intermax to other customers, I do it on a daily basis. So we have 300 tenants in our portfolio, always asking that question about what the options are. And they're our preferred vendor in 30 buildings. We've had almost zero downtime and we've been a customer of theirs for 15 years. They've been great service. If there's ever any issues, they're quick to respond. Everything from sales to service and follow through has all been there. It's been really a nice package. We've occasionally come across those situations where some of the competitors are heavily marketing their services, and sometimes that comes at a better price and or better speed, and Intermax's been responsive to matching that if they needed to, or increasing the speed at the same price. They really do a good job of retaining their customers, which is always our focus as well, so it's a good matchup in that regard.